Ella Rhodes here, and today we are going to be, I was on Star Stable earlier, but today I told you guys that maybe I would record me doing a championship, so I'm here today to do that, and I'm super excited, but kinda nervous, you know, nerves always get to you, and so yeah, I'm just really excited, and I'm not worried about how I do or anything. I mean, it's not like I don't care if my horse actually gets a place. I would love to get a place, but it's not like I'll be mad or sad if I don't get a place. So I always try to be whoopsies. I always try to be you know, sort of that type of person who's like, yay, I placed, or something like that. Or even, yay, I did it, I completed the race. I think that nothing's the worst. The only thing that's bad when you're doing a competition is is disqualification. But other than that, I think that it's all good. So I'm sure excited. 20 seconds till it starts. I'm not gonna talk while doing it because that definitely distracts me. But just a quick tip is when this timer up here gets to 3 seconds, I click W and scroll forward just to get a boost. So I'm not going to talk for a little bit, but bye. Oopsies, that was close. I see some people who got disqualified on the scoreboard. Yeah, do not go into the reindeers, because that stops you. Stupid reindeer sled is blocking our way. And jump. Good boy. I know it's weird, but I talked to my horse on Star Stable. I just do. Yes, I won! Yes! Guys, I did it. I actually did. I made it. Did I won 1,000, 2, 1,003, 1,000, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,000. About 15 seconds till the next person came in, and that is good. The reason why I was counting was I count how long it takes for the next person to get in to see how far ahead I was, and that was 15 seconds, which was quite good considering that the person who got second was a Star Rider. So I'm quite happy with that. And yeah, I am not going to end this video right here because we just did the championship. What I do after a championship is I bathe Wish Brother, I pet him, and if I'm not broke, which I am right now, I go and I give him a treat. So it's quite awesome. And I didn't read that note. Sorry, I should have, but yeah, it just sort of says something about how sometimes lag can make it seem like you're the winner, but really another player might be faster than you. Just that stuff. One time I had one. Okay, let me read this. Congratulations, Helen. You are the winner of the championship. Congratulations on getting first. The Yorvik Racing Association is proud to award you with the attached prize. Don't forget to click on it to receive your reward. Well done. Click to take item, and I'm just going to delete that so that it's not constantly in my way. Because if I don't delete it, I think that there'll be this little flag thing going there that says, you have unread mail. And whenever you do your championship, remember to go into that mailbox and just open that up. So my barn is all decorated for Christmas because it's Christmas in the game. Ugh, I hate how it's all cold in here. I hope he doesn't catch a cold. I'm gonna put on his warm polo wraps while I do this because I don't want his poor legs to freeze. Those are my warm polo wraps because I got them in the special land in for the Christmas place. It's called Christmas. What's it called? Christmas something. But yeah, so now I'm just bathing my horse. But yeah, I got them there, and they kind of look warm, so that's what I call them. My warmer ones, and the other ones are my racing ones. And so you might not have noticed, but if you go to my other video, you might notice that I was wearing different gloves. So yeah, I had just before the race started, about 17 minutes before this race would start, I went to Fort Pinta and I checked if they had any gloves there, but they didn't. So I went that I could afford. So I went to Yorvik Mall, and they had nothing. I could afford one thing there, but it was really expensive and it didn't give you plus anything. So I didn't buy that. So yeah, I'm so glad that he got that. Good boy. Good. Oh, whoopsies. I wanted to pet you, boy. Yeah, I want to pet you. I'm gonna put on this new thing that I just got. Oh, dang, it's glitching again. I wonder how many racing medals I have so far. Good boy. Yeah, so I'm not gonna get him a treat, unfortunately, because I'm broke. Lucky. I'm just, yeah, broke. So, yes, I can't buy him any treat, but I'm sure he's fine with that because I gave him so many pets that he knows he did a good job, and, you know, he wins so often. I don't want to jinx it, but he wins so often that he's sort of like, I don't really want to have to buy him a treat every single time I win. Not because I think it's bad to give your horse. Well, not that I think that it's that he did bad, because it's like, oh, he always wins, so there's nothing special about him winning this time. It's more like I don't want him to get overspoiled. Whoopsies. Let me try something now. Let's see if my medal will go on now. Oh, whoops, wrong leg pads. I'm gonna put on, leg pull wraps. There we go. 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 So I actually don't have any other polo wraps other than these ones and those other ones, because you need to be a star rider for that. And I'm not sure, and I'm fine. I'll be fine. Like, I don't really mind if this is not what I get, but I might be getting Star Rider as a solstice present. And solstice is winter solstice. It's like the celebration of, it's a celebration of light. So it's when the days start to get longer, and so the days are getting shorter and shorter, and then suddenly we have the celebration as the day starts to get brighter every day and brighter. And so now I'm just doing this just because I think it's good after a competition to get your horse back on the racetrack again, so that they're used to just doing 1 or 2 runs, just because they get used to running even if it's not against other people. So that's really good, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I definitely enjoyed making it, and later tonight I might be doing another championship, but I can't promise you that I'll record it because, like, I might not have enough time. Like, I might be eating. 1, I might not want to record it, and 2, I might be eating dinner when it's time for the race to start, so no promises, but that's a possibility. And my eyes itchy. Ugh, dang, I didn't get gold rank. That's fine. So what you saw me winning that race, and by like far, a lot of people, when I show them me winning a competition, they're like, whoa, I can never accomplish to win championships. And that's really because I don't go in between the Fort Pinta Championship and the Moorland Championship that often. Sometimes I'll go to the 8 o'clock championship and it'll be like, I don't have, there is no Moorland Championship, so there's only the Fort Pinta Championship, and I'll just go to the Fort Pinta Championship, but usually I like to stick to the Moorland Championship, and sometimes I'll switch, so it'll be like, okay, I'm doing the Moorland Championship a lot, and I'm like, okay, I've got the hang of this one, so I'm going to go back to Fort Pinta Championship, and then I do that one for a few days, and then I'm going to say, well, maybe this one's getting kind of old, it's getting kind of easy, better go back to the Moorland one, and that happens not too often, about maybe every 2 months. Nah, that's kind of a lot, but around every month I change. So please, in the comments below, I just want to, one thing, if you play Star Stable, please tell me any championships that you're really, which championship was the first one that you got first place on, and if you didn't ever get first place on any championships, tell me what was the first championship that you got 3rd or 2nd on. So yeah, just write that in the comments below, or write what you want for Christmas. Just do it. Write it in the comments below. It's cool. I like your comments. And sometimes I can't reply to them, but usually I'll try to reply to them. And because I've asked you to comment in this one, then I'll definitely listen to them. So we've got about 2 minutes left. I'm going to do one more champion because I think we have just about enough time. Yeah, we should have, it'll be about 10 seconds till we finish when it's done. I'm watching that time. If this ends up to be too long, I'll stop racing. I'll stop doing this race and I'll just go. So yeah, I'm so glad I started to learn. I learned how to record Star Stable, and I hope you guys enjoy these videos. And please don't be shy. Write it in the comments below what you would like for me to start recording, because I always love to hear what you guys like to watch, because, you know, the more people who tell me what they like to watch, the more people who watch my videos, and that's good, because I actually went back to my first video, and I saw 27 views, and to me, that was like, whoa, 27 views, jeez, and I know that that was like 5 months ago, but still, like, that is a lot for a small YouTuber for me. Like, And I did go back and I saw that there was six subscribers, and